everyone. My team name is Byte Bandits, and I am Geetika, and I am the team lead. My team members are Yashashini, Charlie, Shreya, Varuna, and Sushmita. Our problem statement ID is SIH 25038, and our problem statement title is Blockchain Based Blue Carbon Registry and MRV System. Now I am going to explain the problem statement. India is focusing more on restoring blue carbon ecosystems like mangroves and seagrass because they absorb a huge amount of carbon dioxide and help fight the climate change. But here's the problem. Today, there is no proper system to monitor and verify these restoration projects. Data from plantations is scattered. There is no transparent way to prove how much CO2 is really absorbed. Communities and NGOs that are doing the hard work don't get fair recognition or financial benefits. Without trust and verification, it's hard to generate carbon credits that companies can buy. So the challenge is clear. We need a decentralized, trustworthy, and verifiable system that can record plantation data securely, verify it using technology, and convert the captured CO2 into carbon credits and directly reward the communities through a transparent blockchain system. Now my teammate is going to explain the solution.
Hello everyone, my name is Sriya and I'm going to explain the technical approach of our project. Our goal is to build a transparent and verifiable system to track plantation data, carbon credits, and their life cycle using blockchain technology. Let's see workflow. First, mangrove plantation data is uploaded through the mobile app. Next, this data is verified and stored securely. Once verified, carbon tokens are issued. Users can hold these tokens, use them, or even trade them in the ecosystem. The entire cycle ensures transparency from tree plantation to verified carbon credits. The token life cycle shows how carbon token moves through the system. Starts with the plantation data linked to a tree. Once verified, it is converted into a token. Finally, tokens can be traded immutability and sustainability at system architecture. Mobile app is used by farmers or users to upload data. We build this using React. This uploaded data passes through an API gateway powered by Node.js, which connects to different data is stored in IPFS, interplanetary file system storage for immutability. The MRV monitoring, reporting, ensures accuracy before updating the blockchain. This logic implemented on our Node.js backend. Permission Ethereum ledger records all verified transactions. On top of this, we have an analytics service built with Node.js and MongoDB for insights, a token storage service to manage carbon token, and a report service for generating reports. Our system provides two types of user interfaces, one private and one public. Private interface, your wallet. Users interact through a digital wallet similar to MetaMask. When user registers, the system generates a unique blockchain address just like Ethereum 16 or 20 byte address format. This wallet is where their verified carbon tokens are stored. A public blockchain explorer where anyone can view the transaction records for complete transparency. For example, how many tokens are issued, how many transactions have been made, and etc. This prevents fraud. So at last, I would like to explain the tech stack briefly. We have used React for frontend, Node.js for backend, MongoDB for database, Ethereum permission ledger for blockchain, for deployment and cloud infrastructure, we would be using AWS. And for collaboration, version control, and team management, we have used GitHub. So next, I would like feasibility and viability of our solution to be explained by our teammate.
I am Sushmita, going to explain feasibility and viability. This slide shows why our solution is not only possible to build but also viable. but also sustainable in the long run. Technical feasibility. We are building a mobile app to collect plantation data easily from the field. Blockchain will secure this data so it cannot be altered, and the dashboard will be given real time insights and reports. Operational feasibility. On ground officers with GPS enabled devices will capture accurate plantation data. Cameras and sensors will automatically verify plantations, reducing manual errors. Legal feasibility. Since we are using permission blockchain network, only authorized parties can access the system. The platform also follows privacy and environmental laws, maximizing minimizing the legal risks. Viability. The solution is cost effective because we are using existing technologies. Additionally, we can generate revenue through carbon credit tradings. Market demand. Industries and NGOs are actively seeking verified carbon credits, so there is already strong demand. Scalability. We can start with mangrove plantations and later expand to forestry, agriculture, and even renewable energy projects. Sustainability. Our project has long-term viability because climate regulations and the global push for sustainability keep supporting such initiatives. So overall, our solution is not only feasible to implement, but also financially and environmentally sustainable. Now my teammate will explain the impact and benefits of our project.
So coming to the impacts and benefits, we'll go into the impacts of blue carbon projects. Our project has several key impacts as shown on the left. The first is environmental impact. By restoring coastal ecosystems, we are helping to protect biodiversity and provide a safe habitat for marine life. This is also a climate impact because these ecosystems are amazing at absorbing and storing carbon from the atmosphere, which helps fight climate change. Finally, there's a huge social impact. Our project creates new job opportunities and improves the well being of local communities by protecting their homes from storms and rising sea levels. Comprehensive benefits of blue carbon projects. So there's a bigger picture of our project benefits like an umbrella protecting us from the rain. We are not just helping the environment, we are also providing ecological benefits by protecting ecosystems and the life within them. There are also clear economic benefits as we create jobs and new sources of income for communities. Our project also brings community and social benefits by protecting and improving people's lives. And we can't forget the policy and legal benefits because our work supports and encourages new government policies and regulations that help protect our environment.
So finally, our solution is transforming environmental action into measurable impact, empowering communities, and building a sustainable future. Thank you so much.